Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the string to lowercase method. So what it does, if you have any string prototypes, like any string, so you can change into lowercase if there is one, uppercase letters. So what we can do is just you need to create a string. I'm naming it string, calling it, so something like something. As you can see, there is oh, three uppercase letter here, and I want to lowercase. I want that to lowercase. So what we need to do is, what the heck? Not again. Log in on a console. Use str dot to use the method lowercase. So lowercase, and call that, and you will get everything in a lowercase. Simple as that. You can do with the big letters, like I'm gonna use the lorem, and you can see everything has now been a lowercase letters. So this is what it does, and it goes hand in hand with uppercase letter, which you will see you in the next tutorial. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.